Hello everyone! Start off by taking a yellow marker and then make a line that is slightly curved on a white sheet of paper. Add water to it to make it smudge as such, then use a marker to add the detailing to it. Add some green stems underneath it and highlight it with yellow. Once again, add water to this and then using black, make the stem out of it. Next, take a white circular sheet of paper, then take two different shades of blue marker and make these zigzag lines all over it. This at the bottom. Afterwards, add water to it to make it spread as such and then draw some trees in the background. After this, in front, stick these rectangular black sheets of paper, then add detailing to it. Take some earbuds, dip it in red paint and then add these as the leaf and then do this with yellow paint as well. In the bottom, you also highlight it with green and yellow paint. Next, take a white sheet of paper, cut it in this cloud-like shape, add it to the base of your circular sheet of paper. After this, make a house-like shape out of earbuds and then in the side make a tree. Take two empty bottle caps and then afterwards make a snowman out of it. Next, take multiple leaves as such and then cut out different shapes out of it. For the yellow one, we have chosen to make a star out of it. Now, line it with red leaves as such and then stick some green leaves on the side. Next, take some cardboard paper, cut it in this rectangular shape as such. Take some red paint and then paint the entire back portion in red. Take a black sheet of paper, fold it and then make it into a top as such. Line it with green clay in the middle. Now take a white marker and then make a V shape at the top and then add polka dots as well. Next, take a red sheet of paper, cut out the shape of this dress and then add a detailing using some clay. We have chosen to use little white balls of clay and then make a flower shape using some blue and white clay accordingly. Next, take two tomatoes as such. Then afterwards, take some cardboard paper, remove the outer layer of it. Add this to the base of your white circular sheet of paper, then take a twig and stick it in one of the sides. Take multiple red balls of clay and then stick it onto your twigs. Next, take some pink clay, stretch it out as such, make it into a ball and then flatten it out using any sort of flat object. Now, make multiple lines on the edge of it. Add another white layer into it and then make multiple lines on this as well. Next, do the same out of different shapes and then add different kind of flowers in the middle of each of them. Next, take a white circular sheet of paper, make multiple lines on the side and then insert your clay pieces to it. Thank you for watching.